Hey YouTube, this is Blue Flame here, and I'm back with an unboxing from a friend of mine by the name of FGSSJ2. I'll have his channel link in the description. And today is going to be an unboxing of Assassin's Creed Limited Edition. Alright, so let's get started here. Alright, so it came in a pretty nice box. I wasn't expecting this, but it looks pretty nice. Let's take this off. Yeah, Assassin's Creed logo in the back. I forget the name of this assassin. It's been a while since I played Assassin's Creed 1. SEO figure. I don't even know who this guy is, so don't ask me. I've been playing a lot of Assassin's Creed 2 lately, so yeah. Manual, booklet, whatever. Let's see. I think this is the soundtrack and the actual game itself. There's a disc, and yep, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Well, I guess I'll show you guys the soundtrack if I can get it out of here. Hold on a sec. What the soundtrack looks like, and hold on for another sec while I put everything back in the box. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thank you, Future Gohan SSJ2, for this game. I've been meaning to get this game, and now I have the limited edition, so thanks, and hope you have a good time at Omnicon, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.